Okay. In the previous session, I have do the complete create the uh, uh, implementation. I create the interface and create the interface and definition on here and implementation in the implementation folder, the product repository. And after that, I have created the controller. This is a product data controller. On here, I create the for the list page, create the index action method. In the action method, this line of code get data from the uh, product list, and this is for the create view. This is for the view, and this line bind the drop down category in the drop down, and this insert data in the product create function. This is a HTTP post. By default HTTP GET. So I am not writing. You can write on here HTTP GET also. HTTP GET. But by default is HTTP GET. So no need to write on here. And after it, I have edit data. I edit based on ID. Edit data. This is for edit view. And so this same create view. I has I have same create view in both case edit and create one view on. So pass this view and model. And after that, this is for the insert data in edit case. This is edit case and insert data on here through the update product. And on here, delete data. This line of code, delete data. This is for method to delete product data. This line of code for the controller level. And just I create the view on here. Create view. Add view. List. List. No, this is for create. Okay. And product. It is creating. Okay. This is create. And one for index method. Add view on here. List and select product. Add. Okay. This is for the product. And this is index. Create new. And ID. Product ID. Name. Unit description category. We need not on here category. And we write on here action. Action. This line. Product ID, name, description, unit price, non category or here, and non and on here edit. You can write this type of syntax or SP only. Anchor link through the anchor link. Okay, right. S A S P action is equal to edit SP controller. You can SP controller. You can add SP controller product data, and SP root, SP root, SP root ID is equal to @item dot product ID class btn primary edit. This for edit. Same things on here. Delete. Delete is same name, and on here product ID. Remove this, and on here write if on click function for the confirmation. Return confirm. Are you sure to delete? This is a list. Can't change the class on here. Delete means danger. Let's check the data on here. Okay. This data is okay. Just I change this data from the product. I change the setting on here. Product data. Uh, there is some issue. Development should be enabled by product data and index. Okay. This is production. Is production. Then this is this. Yes, yeah. Right is development. There is some change on here. What is the change? Product data. I change on here property. Okay. I change on here development. 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 Actually, this have some deployment I am doing on through this application. That time I have changed the setting production. This will issue due to that this issue is coming. Okay. On here, we have the interface repository in the ADO.NET product data controller. Okay. Let's check the yeah. This is happening. Product repository. Okay. We need to define on here. Builder dot service dot add transient uh, I product repository comma product product repository. Let's check on this one. Okay. Actually, I have created the interface and service on here. Interface and implementation. So in the .NET Core, we need to register this service on anywhere. Anywhere means you need to register this service in the program.cs file. This is a startup page. So we register this service on here, mandatory. And you know this syntax: a transact, a singleton, and one is a another is a this is a transact, a singleton, and add transact in singleton. One is a mm, transact singleton. This will create only one instance in the application, and transact create multiple object in the application. A transact create multiple object. 8 singleton on here. If I change the 8 singleton, SIN, the singleton. This is create only one object in the application. This is difference on there. Then I create the multiple object. I have 8 transact on it. And data is coming to, and this data is coming from the Dapper. And also duplicate these things and product index. This data come from the edu.net. This data come from the edu.net. This data come from the Dapper. Okay. And in both case, uh, HTML view is same in both case, but change on here. This is a change on here. I call this line of code on here call, but on here uh, product product controller. This change, this is configuration. This is common on there, and I create the repository on here, but I have not created the interface. This is a repository. Okay, this line of code directory, I call these things, but on there I create the interface, and interface implement on another folder, and using the Dapper main Dapper library on there I change these things. Okay, there is a difference on both case. And okay, this is listed, and also I have for the create and create. This is create view data if model not equal to null, then edit else create. Then view data. This is title, and on here there is things on here. Other title, remove this product, and this is for product ID. So no need to this line of code on here. Product ID. I write on here things and text. Input type hidden field. Input type hidden. SP for SP for product ID. Uh, product ID. Right. This line of code will no need on here. Name, description, unit price, category, and created date, no need, and category we need on the website. I do this on formatting, and this is category name, description, price. Okay, and you can remove these things on here and type category. Category on here. Remove these things. I have bind the drop down. Select. You can copy from the on here also. Uh, view product create on here same things. Select. There is a category. Okay, category ID name. And name, name, description. This is thing like this. And also you can add on here. This is created. You can create add on cancel. When the cancel, this you can use this cancel. Then go to right to the index page. And this also is back to list is same work for the cancel. Okay. Then run this code. Remove Dapper and add Dapper on here. This is create the this product data. Bind the books name name Dapper description Dapper in his price 1000 and create. Take the data on here. This data is coming on here. Go execute. And this line of code, phone.execute insert data in the DB. Just check on here. Uh, product electric from the entry and execute. After commit, this bit this data will not save on that time. Just check on here. This is a transaction going. This is a execution query. Okay. Because on this case in the table, transaction is happening. This is transaction ongoing. Transaction. And after commit or rollback, you can show the data on here. And after commit and save the data. Go and commit. Then check the data on here. This data is coming. Okay, already. Actually, execute the query. Then this data is coming on this line of code. If this is something issue, then roll back all things on there. You have suppose that you have multiple table in this line in this using statement. You have insert in multiple table you insert data, product category, something other table. If anything issue in the one table, then roll back all table data. Then you have rollback. This is insert data on here, and okay, this is edit. Okay, you write change on syntax on here. Index. Mm. And also add the debugger on the edit. Edit. And edit this data. Okay, Dapper 1000 and select. Okay, change the value.
Okay.
Dapper details. Dapper details and edit. Dapper details and edit. Actually, I have add the debugger in another controller. This is confusion on here. We need to add debugger on here. Okay, this is a updated data on here. And also you want to delete. This is deleted data. This all things in the through the Dapper. Insert data, update data, delete data, list data through Dapper. In the Dapper, use library, one library Dapper, and using interface and repository on here. Interface and repository. You can follow this standard. You can follow in the project also, because this is a standard in the project level. You can create interface and create implementation on there, and use the Dapper. This is the latest thing. Also use in the project level. Using Dapper, I am implement, and also I will implement in your project. This is complete live for the through the Dapper. Okay. Any confusion on here?
No, no.
Okay.